So here's the holiday vacationer. Just a little progress update. It is Monday today. So we bought the camper a week ago. And then blew a tire on the way home at like 11 o'clock at night. So didn't end up getting it home till Tuesday afternoon. By the time I had to drive back down and get tires on it and everything else. And then didn't work on it a whole lot Tuesday. I had some meetings in the afternoon. We did kind of sit in it, look at it, do some layout planning. Wednesday started tearing it apart, got the initial demo done on it. Thursday was Thanksgiving, so only worked on it a little bit in the evening. Went shopping on Friday for a little bit, so only worked on it in the evening. And then Saturday started working on reframing a little bit. And then yesterday finished up the framing, did some insulation work, did some paint stripping. So doesn't look super far, but there's been a lot going on. It took probably 3 days to get it totally tore down. Got the big stuff out, but after that, you get into removing water lines. We had to put some access panels underneath to get to some of the water lines. So we took everything out of it, all the propane lines, water lines, electrical, totally gutted it. So it's kind of this, looks like someone spray painted it, so we're working on stripping it. This is all citrus strip. It actually does a really good job of eating the paint off. We'll just do a quick little walk around, then we'll go to the inside. Oh, we washed the windows. That took probably like 4 hours to wash. Not just the glass, but all around the mechanisms. I mean, they're not perfect, but they were caked in dirt and grime. And then you can see the other side here. This has to get washed off still, but a little bit of a difference. Looking pretty fly on this side. So yeah, there's some scratches in it from previous people sanding it or something, but overall it's going to clean up pretty nice. We've got all the taillights off. I rewired all the trailer lights yesterday. So you can kind of see the after the citrus strip versus the painted look before. So, all right, we'll go inside. Okay, so stepping inside, this is where the toilet was originally, so we covered that up. You can see the new whitewood. Okay, so the way this works is it's got the steel trailer beams, and then it's got later galvanized for protection, then wood 2x2s or 2x4s laid flat, and then this 5A subfloor. So I replaced not only that board, but also the one below it along this wall. Pieced in a new subfloor, redid a little bit up in this front corner. It was pretty decent. I didn't have to do any of this. This was all pretty good. And then I went and put little L brackets on just for reinforcement. Come around to this side. This side is actually pretty good shape. Didn't have to do much over here. Just little things. Below this window was rotted out, so I pieced this in. I don't like piecing stuff together, but you know, otherwise it would have been a pretty massive undertaking because you got to take out almost the whole window. But either way, she's, I mean, very, very secure. Put in a couple boards up here just because this was a little loose. Added some rafters up here. So I doubled up this front rafter because this one here is rotted, so we doubled up this one. I left the old one in just because it's not hurting anything for it to be there. Reframed this skylight opening. This was a vent fan. We're going to put in a bigger skylight. Redid this plywood up here and just put it into a little bit more reinforcements. Overall, this camper is very rigid now. And then this back corner was the other big rot repair area we did. So everything in this corner is brand new. So the subfloor's pieced in over to here. And then this board's new, that board's new. All of this is new basically. It is, you know, it is pieced together, but it's very, very, very stout. So then put in a new arch up here. This is new. This is new. This is new. So very firm. I gotta put a faceplate on there yet. New trailer light wires all in. I ran a ground back to the taillights just in case. You know, I shouldn't have any issue grounding to the body, but I want to make sure we don't run into any problems. So, and then we framed in an access panel here, so if the door arrives on time, we're going to cut this out. Be a big access underneath the bed. Yeah, so do some more wiring for the interior lights today. Get the rest of the insulation put up. Maybe move into paneling. We'll see. Work on stripping the outside a little more. But overall, pretty cool project. Like I said, we bought this a week ago, so we haven't had it in our possession a week yet. We're definitely making headway. Hoping to be done by the end of this week to bring it south, so we'll see. It's Tuesday today, just a little progress update. You can see the bottom is stripped on this side. We got the top and other stuff to do. We're also stripping paint off of the tongue. We got the hole underneath patched up. There's a few spots that were cut open just from various things. So we got all the holes in the floor patched on the bottom side with galvanized. We finished up all the insulation and we got most of the interior paneling done. Some stuff to figure. This is here's for the mini split to mount. I also got the wiring done for the puck lights in the ceiling. So I'll just glue on. So we've got to make the one curved panel for the front. And the gaps aren't perfect, but pretty much every seam's getting covered, so not a huge deal. Yeah, coming along. Hopefully we'll have the wall and the flooring or the ceiling done today, and the flooring and the walls painted. So yeah, everything's patched up and coming back together.